Wachita. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Shelby County, southwestern Champaign County, northwestern Clark County, northeastern Montgomery County, eastern Miami County, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Vandalia, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts.
Yes.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dayton, Huber Heights, Troy, Vandalia, Tip City, New Carlisle, St. Paris, Brown, Union, Christiansburg, Northampton, Fletcher, Castown, Ginghamsburg, Thackeray, Fontaine, Cary Hut, State Route 41 at State Route 235, Dayton International Airport and Grayson. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 70 in Ohio between mile markers 32 and 37. Interstate 75 in Ohio between mile markers 59 and 78.